Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the winter collections. Yes, you got it right. I'll be starting off with the winter collections as I promised you. So lot of people were waiting for the winter collections, and I'm always excited every year to showcase my winter collections. So today's will be all the dresses which I am going to show. Booking number is 9711195266, and please follow and like my page on Facebook, and also do like and subscribe my YouTube channel because lot of exciting collections are going to come. So today, as I'll be showing the dresses, I will be mentioning the product numbers. In winter collections, I mostly mention the product numbers, so please mention the product numbers while doing the bookings. And the price, as the inaugural price, all are very beautiful dresses, just for 750 free shipping. If you book any piece for 750 free shipping, and as is the first video, the first 10 members will be getting a discount, and irrespective of the weight, I am giving it at flat 750 free shipping there, because winter collections, the woolen dresses are mostly of higher 1 kg or just 1 kg or just below, so you cannot add 2 to 3 dresses. Okay, so still, whatever may be the weight, irrespective of the weight, I will be giving you at 750 free shipping for today, and the first 10 members will be getting a discount from my end. So let us start off with the beautiful collections. Here it's a beautiful dress. You can see it is in wine color. And this one, the size is perfectly fitting my size. I wear 38, so it is perfectly fitting my size, but it is completely fitting. If you want little comfortable, so whoever is wearing 34 to 36 can go for this beautiful dress. 34 to 36 can go for this beautiful dress. It's a completely bodycon dress. You can see it's a party wear. 34 to 36 is the comfort fit for this dress. You can take the screenshot on the same. So here comes a black dress. You can see, so this is in completely beaded. ठीक है, आपका ऐसे beaded रहेगा. Here also there is beads, and here also. So this one, the size which will fit 38 also can go. See, I wear 38, so it is comfort fit for me. 38, 40, 42, 44. As these are all stretchable pieces, 38, 40, 42, 44 can go for this beautiful dress in white beads. So the first one which I showed, that is product number 1, and this one is product number 2. So here comes a stunning brown dress. It's a very beautiful brown dress. You can see the pattern. Okay, like this it will come, and this is not that tight over here, so it's completely a comfort fit. This is product number 3, and the size which will fit 38, 40 and 42. A beautiful coffee brown color dress in 38, 40 and 42, product number 3. Product number 4, a very sleek dress it is. You can see it is in a very fine wool. Okay, in a very fine woolen dress it is. And this one, the size which will fit 36, 38, 40. Okay, 36, 38, 40. It comes with the side slit. And my height is 5 feet, so accordingly you can judge. I'm wearing a heel as well. Okay, so you have got the side slit. So this one is product number 4. 4. So here comes product number 5. This is in a buttery soft dress. Okay, it comes with the fun button style, but there is no openable chance. Okay, just for the style, and you'll be seeing little bit of like this. This is a very soft. Okay, ये बहुत ही buttery soft dress है, super duper soft. And this one, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42, 44. Okay, a very stretchable piece. 38, 40, 42, 44 can go for this in product number 5. Product number 6, here I show my favorite blue color, and this one, it's again a buttery soft piece. It comes with the side slit like this, and this one, the size which will fit 40, 42, 44, 46. Super soft piece. 40, 42, 44, 46. Hands are also very smart in product number 6. So here comes product number 7. So this one is a big piece, and this one is, you have got this a good thing that you can adjust the waist. Okay, आप ऐसे waist को adjust कर सकते हैं. And this one, the size which will fit 42, 44, 46, 48. Super soft piece and completely stretchable. 42, 44, 46, 48 can go for this beautiful piece. So this one is in sleek woolen. Okay, you can see this is in a sleek woolen in 42, 44, 46, 48. Super lightweight dress it is in product number 7. Product number 7, you can go for this. So product number 8, here comes a beautiful red color dress, and it's a very beautiful red color, a little bit on a soft coat feeling with it is little bit on a soft coat feeling. Okay, so ये जो size है, this one which will fit 40, 42, 44. It comes with the pocket. Product number 8. 40, 42, 44. Neck is also very stylish. You can see little bit on a Chinese जो वो लोग locals लोग डालते हैं उस तरह से थोड़ा सा है ये. It's a beautiful comfortable dress in 40, 42 and 44. Comes with the back zip. So here comes product number 8, a beautiful dress in high neck. It's a very pretty dress it is, you can see. And this one, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. Okay, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. It comes with the attached belt like this. It's a beautiful dress in 34, 36, 38. Product number, in product number 9, you can grab this dress for. So here comes product number 10. It's a short midi dress, and this one you can wear with long boots as well. So this one, the size is completely fitting my size, 34, 36, 38. It comes with the attached like this neck piece. Okay, 34, 36, 38 can go for this dress. It's a beautiful one, and this I end up the first part. For the second part, please watch my next video. If you're not able to view any video, just WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I do have a WhatsApp group. If you want to join, please do WhatsApp me on my same number, 9711195266. And please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.